Waze and Apple Maps are two of the popular apps on this planet. This video covers Waze versus Apple Maps and sees the difference and similarities. On Apple Maps, all the settings are on the bottom menu. The thing I like about Apple Maps is its nature of being simple. The app does not come with many features. To search for a place, you tap on the search bar, which opens up the search menu. In here, you can see the suggested places, history, and home and work addresses. The app also shows the weather at the bottom left of the screen. Waze is a bit different. The side menu contains almost all the options. The menu shows your history, search bar, and home and work addresses. Tapping at the top right button opens up the settings menu. Apple Maps comes with 3 map views: Maps, Transport, and Satellite. You can view the maps in 3D in the satellite view. Waze, on the other hand, comes with many features. The app offers to change language and voice options. It comes with many voice options, and you can record your voice for basic turns. The app also works by saying, "Okay Waze." Other than that, you can change the vehicle type to private, taxi, or motorbike. Apple Maps does not come with voice options. The voice of Siri is the navigation voice of Apple Maps. You can also call Siri to help you out. When you search for a place, both apps show the closest locations. Waze also shows the results from Google and Foursquare. Both show some information related to the location. You can see the business hours, phone numbers, and website. Apple Maps also shows the Wikipedia info for some places. Before we move, let me clear that Apple Maps also offers public transport as well as walking routes. Waze only supports car and motorbike routes. Let's drive to the location and cover the navigation features. Regarding traffic, both use different algorithms. Apple Maps uses TomTom services, and the traffic data is updated from over 400 million cars in every 2 minutes. Waze, on the contrary, relies on the users to populate the data. The orange report button contains a wide range of reporting options. You can report and get benefits when someone reports traffic, police, crash, hazard, map issues, safety cameras, and road closures. The app also uses algorithm to update traffic of certain roads at specific times. You can add a stop on both. If you slide on the bottom menu on Apple Maps, you can see some quick stops, trip details, audio options, and finally share ETA if you want to inform someone. Waze also comes with a bottom menu which contains a few quick stops. You can share drive, overview the trip, and search for places. Before we move, Apple Maps shows lanes on the top and suggests which line should the driver be driving in. This helps in immediate turns. Waze app comes with one-tap music play option. On the top right, you see this music button. The app supports limited apps including Spotify and YouTube Music. To play at any time, tap on the Music app and this will open the app to play music. Waze also shows the speedometer on both iOS and Android. The app supports speed zones and the vehicle's speed. At any time, you can search for places on Waze, but it suggests that you should not type and drive. In the past, it used to show a pop-up, but it only shows this warning now. Anyway, we are almost there. When you get to the destination, if possible, Waze shows the images with parking spots, while Apple Maps only shows an end route button. Also, Waze does not shut down on its own. You need to shut down the app. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching Waze versus Apple Maps. Overall, I like Waze better than Apple Maps because of its so many features. I hope the comparison helped. Please share your views in the comments down below and like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more comparison and how-to videos. Thank you.